Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will know that how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. So guys, let's start the video. The first method is click here search option and type here registry editor regedit. You can see here there are registry editor. Click here run as administrator option, and after that guys there are some keys. So click here local machine, expand it, and click here software, expand, scroll down, and after that guys find here policies and expand Microsoft. Now there are a Windows Defender. Click here and expand it. So guys click here right click and select here default 32-bit value and type here this value name. Now rename it and type here disable anti-spyware. Okay, this key should be same. So click here, I will show you disable anti-spyware. Okay, select, type here same here. Now right click here and modify and set here one value data, and after that guys click here OK button. You can see here there are one value. We are going for next method. Click here this Windows security action needed icon. After that guys click here virus and threat protection and select here manage option and off these option. Okay, now your Windows Defender will disable. Okay, restart your PC, and I hope guys your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.